supply and demand areas in combination with round numbers is another powerful way to align yourself with the smart money. A supply zone in combination with a psychological level is a good area to initiate a sell position. A demand zone in confluence with another round number offers a low-risk, high-reward buy situation. Liquidity clearouts in combination with round numbers is one of the simplest ways to trade. It's a down thrust VSA pattern. The spread of the down thrust is low while the volume is high, so there is more demand than supply. This buy here is a no-brainer. It's an up thrust VSA pattern. The spread of the up thrust is low while the volume is relatively high, and it happened at the clear supply area. So we had the liquidity clearout, the 150 psychological number, a supply area, and the up thrust VSA pattern. Perfect sell trade. You'll be lucky if you find one trade per week with a supply or demand area, a VSA pattern, a liquidity run, and the psychological number confluence